Today we're gonna be doubling our money by reselling something on the Facebook Marketplace. In this series, we try to double our money every video using different strategies. In our last video, we doubled our money from $2 to $4 in a game of basketball. And today we're gonna use that budget to double our money again to $8. So what is the Facebook Marketplace, you might ask? It's like eBay, right? Wrong. There are no restrictions and no buyers or seller fees. The Facebook Marketplace, like Craigslist, can be scary because there aren't as much regulations and guidance from the platform itself. It's simply a transaction between the buyer and the seller. So I did some searching for what I want to sell on the marketplace to double my money. And after a long, hard search, I found out the item I'm going to sell. I needed a new chair. This arm is completely broken. So if I need a new chair, there's someone out there that needs a new chair as well. So I jumped on my iPad and I began the search for the chair. I only had a budget of $4, so I really had to search deep so I really had to scour the marketplace for a great deal. The marketplace has a lot of scary people on it, a lot of scams, and a lot of bots out there. So after sending a few messages and running away from the people that asked for my phone number and personal information, I found the perfect chair. So the best thing about the chair that I found was that it was less than $4. It was free. The chair was about 20 minutes away and had a stain in the corner, but I was confident that I could sell it. With the chair being free, I technically only had to sell the chair for $4 to double my money, but I wanted more. So yeah, we're going to pick up the chair. Hello. There it is. Thank you so much. Awesome. Have a good day. Chair is secured. The good thing about the Facebook Marketplace is it does have organic reach where you don't have to pay for advertising to have your post be seen. So I cleaned it up, took some pictures, and listed it under the furniture section on the marketplace. I messed up because I rushed the pictures and the chair was actually still wet from cleaning it, so it looked like it had more stains. But actually, side story, I let the chair dry for 2 hours, but much to my chagrin, the stain grew exponentially. I had to clean the chair like 30 more times before the stain went away. I was also selling the chair for only $8, so even if it had a little stain, so be it. I later had to lower the price because I couldn't strike a deal. But then, after lowering the price to $8 and putting it in multiple Facebook groups, I found someone promising. They reached out, and I responded, yeah, it's available, to their response. At this point, I was literally terrified. I got hit with a random meme off the first message and didn't know what to do. Luckily, she sent it by accident. We talked and negotiated, trying to close the deal. She wanted the chair but could only come at 9:30 in the night. I live in Los Angeles, in Hollywood, and at night, you don't really want to be doing a transaction in the streets. But I smashed past the doubt, just like how you should smash the like button. Please, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Hey, how's it going?
My map was actually telling me over there.
Oh, okay.
And I got scared because I'm like,
No worries.
Here you go.
There you go.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Do you need help getting in the car?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna put it in the trunk? So we got the deal done. We sold the free chair for $8 and we still had the extra $4 from the previous video. Instagram shout out goes to Anna. I'm following one of you guys back each week. We survived the Facebook Marketplace and we doubled our money, so make sure to subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Peace.